Good morning, YouTubers, and welcome to the Kevin T channel. Today we're going to be talking to moon or not to moon. Well, this one is an interesting topic because me and a friend at work have this same argument over and over as to whether we went to the moon or not. Me, I think we went to the moon. Him, he thinks it's a conspiracy theory. Yes, a conspiracy theory that the evil government is evil in its ways and will not tell us the truth as to whether we went to the moon or not. That it was all staged in some studio. Yes, that is right. Staged in a studio where you got a movie producer, a director, executives, all silenced to the lamb of a directive from the national government, sanctioned by the national government, to lie to our faces. Now, feel free to comment or anything or add 2 cents to this, but I'm going to make this real simple. We went to the moon. Proof by a laser pointing at a glass pyramid thingy up there that bounces the green laser, hits the moon, and bounces back. By a certain frequency of green laser. Now, here's the other thing. You have tons and tons of scientists. Yes, scientists. You know what that means? That means they study science for a living. Yes, science. Well, science. And the room gets quiet. Now, they have tons of these scientists. And they got 100 scientists. And they think of an idea as to how to rocket the man to the moon. And then they got another 100 scientists backing those scientists up. Thinking, okay, making any corrections or calculations or whatever needs to be done. Now, here's the thing. For every 100 scientists, you got 200 scientists more backing those up. That's a lot of scientists who have multiple degrees in astrophysics, quantum mechanics, physics, and any other scientific thing. Human analogy, doctors, everything you can think of to back this up. Now, you also got liquid oxygen, liquid rocket fuel, whatever the case may be. On how you get there is how you get the liquids, I don't know. Don't ask, too complicated. And then you're going to strap a guy to a 20,000 ton nuclear weapon without a payload on it and strap him in and hit him to the moon. Yee doggy, that's one fast trip. Because, as we well know, rockets have a tendency to inert inertia, which will flatten you to a pancake if you don't go at the right speed. Hence, let's think about this a minute. Warp drive. Warp drive has not been invented yet, nor has light speed. Man has not been able to do that because if you go faster than the speed of light, you'll be flatter than a pancake and liquefied. But yet, we managed to put a man on the moon. Where am I going with this? I have no idea. You tell me. Now, let's think about this logically, shall we? I believe that we went to the moon. Now, you say there's the Van Allen belts. Well, the Van Allen belts, there's a small portion that puts out 0.5 to 1.5 bars of radiation, according to what I've read, which ultimately would have no effect. That's like being in an x-ray machine for 2 weeks. Or an x-ray machine for like 30 minutes. Whoop-de-doo. I've seen one of those things work. You just put on a lead vest and be done with it. You ain't turning green after that. You might go green, you might end up being green. Your face might turn green a little bit, but other than that, you ain't going green. You ain't glowing green. You might green, but other than that, you be fine. But yet, if it is true that after Chernobyl, Russians wanted NASA's space outfits to get in there, they said, well, it doesn't protect against that much radiation. It only protects you like slight radiation. Well, the radiation in Chernobyl is 10 times the lethal limit limit of a X-ray machine. So you're talking about going in an astronaut's outfit when it only covers 0.5 to 1.5% of radiation. And you're wanting something that covers 10% of radiation. Not gonna happen. Not in a million years. So, anyhow, I say we went to the moon. There's my 2 cents on the thing. Now, feel free to comment, share, post, do whatever on any website you like. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching for the Kevin T Channel. Thank you and have a nice day.